Hey, so I'm going to begin self-studying physics, and this is going to be the introduction to my vlog series. So throughout my 20s, my interest for learning physics increased, and I thought this would be a fun way to share my unconventional education and my progress along the way. I'll be using Forest, and after every 40 hours studied, I plan to upload a progress video just to show how much I was able to understand and what difficulties I might have had. So I have some books that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using University Physics. This is an open source book from, I believe, Open Textbook Library. I'll have the link for this in the description below. And I also have a book called Variational Principles in Classical Mechanics. So I'm going to be going through classical mechanics and also Newtonian mechanics. And I have already studied calculus and some differential equations, linear algebra, and a little bit of proof writing. I've taken physics before, but I didn't pass the class, and this is kind of me going back for some redemption. So I have to admit, I'm not the best student. So like here are a couple of things I'm gonna be using to track my progress. I'm gonna be using my bullet planner because I need to spend this year planning a little bit better. And I will be writing my notes in this giant notebook. I just like giant notebooks with giant pages. It's just kind of a very beautiful way, or a very pretty way of recording your knowledge. So maybe throughout this entire video, you have been asking yourself, why are you studying physics? Well, let me tell you why. So the thing is that I found physics later in my life. I didn't even know what the subject physics was until I was 23. Kind of sad. And I'm just really fascinated by how mathematics can describe nature. And I feel like it's the most human thing that I can do, is just to try to understand what reality is. And it's crazy that math can't explain that. So then the goal of this vlog is to document my unconventional path to a PhD in physics. So you might ask, why don't you go back to university now and study? So the reason why is I moved to a different country, so now I have to learn the language to take the fundamental physics courses, and then I may begin my undergraduate studies. And that's just going to take me some time. So I would like to study physics while I'm learning the language. So to conclude, if you're interested in self-studying physics with me, if you're interested in studying physics or other scientific subjects, feel free to join my Discord server, Study Society, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all after 40 hours of studying in my first progress vlog.